Jessica in 3 words. Ooh, I would say ambitious, thoughtful, and joyous. Oh, wow. That's a big question. I wanted to try something new. I wanted a challenge. Once I started doing a little digging, I saw that it can be a little difficult to just kind of jump right in, mainly because of the requirement to work a certain number of hours under a supervisor. The Fannie Mae Appraisal Diversity Pipeline Initiative was a game changer for me, definitely. I was working with the National Urban League in their Entrepreneurship Center in Baltimore. And I'll never forget, I got an email that said, "Hi, this is the Urban League. Fannie Mae would like to put on an appraisal workshop." And I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it because this is exactly what I wanted to do. And so, of course, I RSVP'd right away, showed up to the workshop. I got a chance to meet people who would become that would start to mentor me. I actually put an ad on the Maryland Association of Appraisers website. I said, Fannie Mae Appraisal Diversity Initiative Scholar seeking supervisor. And I got a good bit of attention, and that is how I found my current supervisor. I would say that some of the skills that I can offer as an appraisal trainee from the background that I have are social media skills, if we want to do social media marketing. I also am bringing in my drone skills, which I'm an FAA licensed drone pilot. The appraisal industry is definitely in need of a more diverse workforce. So when we're talking about diversity and inclusion, we want to make sure that, people of diverse backgrounds know that this industry exists and also what it takes to become part of it. We're all people of varying backgrounds, varying experience levels, varying interests, but we all believe that diversity would make the appraisal industry better. And we're all working towards that. The ADPI program is really on the forefront of making this diversity happen. When I get licensed, I will definitely become a supervisor and I will train others, because that's really how this appraisal industry moves forward. You have to have mentors and you have to have trainees. And so the Fannie Mae program is kind of showing me how to approach my career. For the next couple of years, I'm going to spend time getting as much experience as I can, taking my coursework, getting the next level licensure. I feel my growth, like I'm being challenged, and I can see where I've come from in terms of my knowledge base and my ability to do this job well. My master plan is to basically be an excellent appraiser, to eventually have my own appraisal business, and to really, be the best appraiser I can be. We're irreplaceable. So I think the future for appraisal is bright.